Well, I'm tired. I wanted to adjust my shifter. It's up too high, but that don't take but a few minutes. I'm pooped. Anyway, saddlebags back on. They pop on fairly easy. I'll get the hang of it. Be able to do it quicker. You can see where they slide in real quick beside the license plate and along through there maybe. But yeah, that dang old sissy bar fit. I love it. I had to bend it in tighter a little bit. It was stretched out too wide, but that wasn't a problem. I think it's gonna look, I like the way it looks, and I can tie packages on the back like a big box or something with my bungees, and bungee duffel bag back there for extra storage on trips. Oh yeah. Liking my switchback. And gotta have my Willie G stickers. Decals, whatever you want to call them. Yep. Didn't quite get the one on the left. Well, it's a little bit higher than the one on the right. But anyway, I didn't put them on there. I trusted somebody to put them on there. He did good enough, I guess. I'll overlook it. Yeah. Anyway, that's about it. Gonna go ride tomorrow and profile with my new sissy bar. New to me, anyway. Dang, that look like a scratch, but it's just a reflection. All right, I'm out.